Hello, everyone. My name is Gina, and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. I think this one is our last video of 2024, and I'm very glad to bring this one to you. I'm actually doing the Ice Cream Beauty Bag. Yes, this is my address, and I've already covered it over. But for those of you who are not familiar with the Ice Cream Beauty Bag, we've already seen the big sister. I'll go ahead and link it up above if you'd like to see it. But this one is $12.50 per month. All items in it are full size. And this is the one that you do have to pay shipping on. So it comes out to be about $15. Okay, so I will leave all the details below about it. So let's just go ahead and get started. So, oh, nice. What am I saying that about? Well, if you watched my video from last month, I received this palette right here. However, it was damaged. So they told me if they still had it in stock, and I mean, I've got paper falling out of here. But they told me if they had it in stock, they would send it to me. If not, they gave me the options for another. But I am so glad that I got this one. This palette is beautiful. So there we go. All right. So this is how we're going to start off our video. This is the replacement palette for last month. All right. I will go on to their site. I'll pull the information, which would be the pricing and the total amount for all of the items that are included. Alrighty, so let's just jump in. The first item that I have is the Prism Highlight. Now, we also received a product from them last month, which was a nice throwback lipstick, but nonetheless, so that is the outside packaging, of course, which you could see the inside packaging as well. And this one is the, as I stated, the Prism Highlight, and it's by BEDOYABEAUTY.com. This one has a 12-month shelf life. It is a cruelty-free product. And this is a 10-gram size. Now, when we open it up, ooh, now that's a highlight. Let's see, how can we cover this? I know what I'll do. It does have a full mirror. So we're just going to go ahead and cover it. This is what that highlight looks like. How about that? Absolutely beautiful. It'll be a chance to try a new product. Okay, a new brand. And let's see what this highlighter is all about. Okay. So this one is item number 1. I will list the price down below so that you can see it. The next item that we have is by Cab Cosmetics, which is Kim Zolciak's. This one is a lip oil. All right, this is the outside packaging. It says Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. And the shade that I have is called Rum Punch. And this one is also a cruelty-free product. It has a 12-month shelf life. And let's see if we can find out a size. This one is a 2-ounce size. And this is what it looks like. Lip oils have become a magnificent thing. They are everywhere now. Oh, look at that applicator. All right, so we'll decide if we're going to try this one out or not. And as I stated, this is in Rum Punch. All right, and the last item, I don't think I told you, but what comes in the ice cream beauty bag, it would be anywhere from 3 to 5 products. I did let you know that they would be full size. All of them are full size, but just wanted to make sure that I let you know between 3 and 5 products. Now, the next item we have is by ACE Beauty, a brand that I really do like. I have several of their palettes. It is also a woman-owned, Black-owned brand. Alrighty. Now, this one is a 24-gram size or 0.84 ounces. And it also has a 12-month shelf life. It says the Oceanic palette features a unique color story consisting of 15 colors that can be used to create stunning, show-stopping looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I know, I'm kind of anxious to see it now myself. I wouldn't be surprised because their shades are always beautiful, and this one is no exception. It has some shimmers, some matte, and looks like that might be a duochrome. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Feeling this dark blue here. I like these ocean shades as well. And they do all have a name that has something to do with the ocean. This is the third and last product, so we might as well go ahead and start swatching, y'all. I'm going to pull out a brush. I think what I'm going to start doing from here on out is I do have a primer that sits on my desk. So I'm going to put some primer. Oh boy, this is going to be a trip when it's time to clean it off, but nonetheless, so that you can get full color payoff. I'm going to put it on. So this one that I used is the Milk Hydro Primer. That is the one that I happen to use today to do my makeup. So it's still sitting here. So I did cover my hand, and we're going to grab a couple brushes and we're going to swatch. Okay, so I've swatched and we're going to show you these swatches. First of all, very impressive, but I'm going to start right here. Okay, this right here is our Prism highlight. So what do you think of that? Not bad. All the rest are shades from our ACE Beauty palette. So we're going to start from the bottom, and this one is Lagoon. The next one is Blue Clam. Then the shimmer, this one is Bay. This one is Marina. And this beautiful green right here is called Algae. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, you can create some amazing looks with these items right here. Okay, the only thing I did not swatch was the lip oil. Why right now? But when I use it, I will let you know. I'll let you know what my thoughts are, you know, when I use it, how it feels. Make sure it's not sticky, but I will open it so I can see if it has a scent. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It definitely has a scent to it. All right. So, what are your thoughts? Did you receive this particular bag? Did you receive this bag this month? I am loving the Ice Cream Beauty bag. I have enjoyed it this entire year. The entire year. And I'm keeping it, not getting rid of it. But what I have done is changed another box that I've been getting for years. But this price has increased so much since I first started getting, might as well just go ahead and put it out there, it's now BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So that, they have definitely gone up in price, so check that out. I did put that information in to the unboxing as well, so check it out. But the reason that I'm bringing that up is because I choose my fragrances and skincare, possibly tools, in that one, because Ice Cream Beauty, be it the box or the bag, 99% of the time, and I've had to change that because last month they actually sent a skincare product, which was amazing. But they send tools. I've gotten brushes, wonderful brushes, you know, through them. So right now, if cost is a concern, this is a great alternative. The box is $25. That one you do not pay for shipping. This one is $12.50 plus shipping and handling. And so it comes out to be, I would say the most is $17. But do I recommend it? Absolutely, 100%. They are very personable, integral. If you have an issue, they are very quick to come to the aid. Anytime I've sent them an email, they have responded back within 24 hours, unless it was on a weekend. But it's really worth it. And as you've seen today, to get this particular palette, actually everything that I have, one item is more than what we pay for the bag, you know? So think about it, check it, you know, check out previous ones and see if this is something that you may enjoy. If price is a concern for you for, you know, your makeup subscription boxes, check it out and see. Okay, well, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our Ice Cream Beauty bag for the month of December. This is our last, I believe this is our last video for 2024. This is the last Ice Cream Beauty bag for 2024, but these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know what? It's really good on the pocket because it's free. Okay, now, while we're talking about subscribing, be on the lookout for a giveaway. I appreciate you so very much. I have exceeded 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and I appreciate every single one of you. So I'm still trying to figure out all the logistics of it. Are we going to do one gigantic giveaway, or are we going to do several? I'm open, you know, for your comments. Let me know what you think. Just put giveaway ×1 or ×3, whatever it is. I'm fine with whatever comments you make. This is our channel. It's not just me. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you. So if you would like to just let me know what your ideas may be. Just know the final decision is mine, but I would love to hear from you, okay? Now, make sure you share this video. Share it with someone who you think would like to subscribe to a very reasonably priced, yet amazing Ice Cream Beauty box or bag. All right? Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time, see you next year.